Do you ever wonder what the right way to use swipe copy is? Hey there, I'm Kate Danielle, and yeah, I'm usually talking about Canva, but today I'm going to be talking about swipe copy and how you can quickly rewrite it so you're not using the same copy as everyone else. So if you're kind of like, what are you talking about swipe copy? You're often provided swipe copy if you're participating in an affiliate program. Maybe you're participating in a program for a new bundle or a new product launch. So in my case, I'm actually prepping swipe copy to send out to my affiliates. And a lot of times there'll be instructions on like, you can use the swipe copy as is, and there may be some highlighted parts that you need to change. Sometimes they'll tell you, make it your own. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to know like how much you change it, or should you just copy and paste, because sometimes, we're in a hurry, you want to participate, but I get it, your to-do list is a mile long. So in this video, I'm going to show you, one, how you can quickly, so fast, rewrite swipe copy in whatever tone fits your style, your voice that you like to write in, and two other bonus ways that you can quickly kind of prep your own copy, almost from scratch, pretty much. So let's get into it. All right, so here is my swipe copy that I'm going to be sending out to my affiliates. And you're just going to want to pick an email to copy, and we're going to paste it into Chatgpt. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Chatgpt, it is a text AI program. It's been everywhere. You can find some information about it, but it is free to use. And so what I did was I copied one of my emails in here and said, rewrite this swipe copy in a casual tone. So let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and pick this before the card opens, and I'm not going to want the note there, but I can delete that out. Oh, that's the end. So I'll go to here, copy, and I'm going to come to Chatgpt, and down here in the message prompt, actually, let's start with new. This is what it looks like when you're in a new chat. We're going to say rewrite. Helps if you spell things correctly. And you're going to want to tell it in what style. You can do a more professional. You can choose to do, you could even say something like, rewrite this for an adult with a 7th grade reading level. Now, that doesn't mean that you think your audience is dumb and can't read. That just means it's really going to write it in plain, easy to understand English. Because sometimes in these marketing things, there might be lingo that is unfamiliar, like business jargon. So for example, in the swipe copy we're using, it's for a course on making printable products in Canva. So if you tell it like a 7th grade reading level, it's going to make it all very easily to understand. And that's important in today's fast moving marketing pace where we're getting so much stuff thrown at us. We want our marketing material to be like super easy to quickly understand. So I'm going to say rewrite this swipe copy in let's try this, professional tone for an adult with a 7th grade reading level. And then I'm going to paste in the email. And I did put quotes around it. And then you're going to hit enter, and it's going to take a moment to rewrite this email. So you can see here, the email starts with, do you create and sell printables, or would you like to? And down here it says, are you interested in creating and selling printables? It is a great way to showcase your creativity, have fun, and earn some extra cash at the same time. And here it says, it's seriously one of the best things ever. You can be creative, have fun, and make some extra cash at the same time. It's a win-win. So you can see that this copy that we prompted with the professional and 7th grade reading level is taking out a lot of the filler extra words that aren't really necessary. Now, once you do this, I do suggest that you reread it. You may want to add in, like you may want to say, are you interested in creating and selling printable products? And you want to make sure that everything in here is true to the offer. I've been using Chatgpt to help me prep my swipe copy, and it mentioned something about a private Facebook group, which I don't know if it got that from somewhere else, because the course a long time ago used to have that, but it no longer does. So I want to make sure to delete out anything that isn't true, but generally it's pretty accurate, especially if you're already providing the text. So let's go back to this where I've already done this a few times. I'll show you a couple other prompts. So the first prompt, I said rewrite in a casual tone, which it was already pretty casual, so it just kind of changed up the words a little bit. You could also say clean up this copy, and again, that would be getting out some of those filler words, maybe correcting some grammar, rewrite in a more professional tone. So you could come up with all kinds of creative prompts to get it to put it out in a style that is more unique to your voice. And it's going to rewrite that copy so it's not just a mirror copy of what everyone else may be using in an affiliate launch. Now, another way that you could use it to prep marketing materials is to just kind of read the swipe copy or read the web page, the sales page for the product you're going to be marketing for, and put in a pain point. So here in my prompt, I said, write me a 5-day launch email sequence for a course on creating printable products in Canva, with the pain point being a lack of creativity and time. And I added, I'm an affiliate for this course, because I wanted it to make sure it did not write it as if I was the creator. And so it spit out 5 emails. So I've got the introduction, and again, you would want to take some time to proofread these. Day 2, highlights of the course. And the more info you give it about the course, the more accurate these are going to be. But you can see the course offers a comprehensive step-by-step guide to creating stunning printables using Canva. See, it just wrote that based on the prompt. Now, it also remembers what we've talked about up here as well. Let's see. And just, it gave me 5 emails for a 5-day launch. And you can see it even has me a place to insert the affiliate link. Are you ready to save time and effort when designing printables for your business? Sign up for Pretty Printables today. And it even has subject lines and everything, making it super easy to get your copy prepped. Sometimes this happens. You can see it looks like Chatgpt kind of gave up. When you're doing longer things like this, sometimes that happens. You see it kind of stopped in the middle of a sentence there, but we got most of it. And I think sometimes you can even say continue, write continue in here, and it will do it for you. But I've already got other stuff. So let's move on to the next way that you can prep some copy for an affiliate launch, and that is to say, write me an email template for a 3-day product launch. And you can see I haven't given it much information, and when you tell it to write a template, it's going to write emails with places for you to fill in. So anywhere it has these brackets, you need to put something in there. So it's listed out some feature and benefits areas for you to write things in. So this one, of course, is going to take a little bit more work, but it's a great way to get you started and gives you prompts for typing in your own text there. All right, so there are 3 quick and easy ways you can create some copy for your next affiliate campaign or even for your own marketing. And in this video, of course, we were talking about email copy, but you could always say, create me swipe copy for Instagram or wherever you're wanting to post your marketing material. Just be sure to always say that it is an affiliate somewhere, put that disclaimer if this is for an affiliate program. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this one. And we'll get back to Canva pretty soon.